the pie life in Staffordshire today. There's been a customer of ours for maybe 7 or 8 years now. So I'm here with Craig. He knows a bit about the pies and the process involved in the ovens and everything. So I'm just going to have a quick chat about the pies, the ovens, what's so special about them. So just looking at these pies, Craig, you're obviously involved with the sales, you've been involved with the production. Can you tell me something about why these pies are so special?
Well, the pies are special because there's only 8 people that work here. Okay. It's not like a big mass-produced factory, you know, like your big pies like your Bright Street Pilots or places like that.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, but every single person here cares. You know, all the pies are touched and all handcrafted, as you can tell around here. You know, pies are great. You know, and also like the chefs in there, you know, everything is all done here. You know, it's not like everything's thrown into the wrap and just cooked up. You know, vegetables are sweated off, meat's cooked. You know, people actually care. You know, which is why I love working here. You know, because everybody cares about the product. You know, not one person is going to send out an inferior product. You know, because why would you buy it? You know, which is why I love it.
Yeah, that's good. So what do you think that says about the growth of the company?
Oh, I think the company's going to grow and grow and grow.
Yeah.
Like, definitely, yeah. I mean, the product's right, you know, also the methods, everything that we're doing.
You've said a lot about the, about obviously the, you know, the ethos of the people involved in the process. But why gluten-free?
It's just where things are going. You know, you need to go along with the times. You can't just, you know, stick at the same thing. You know, people are going gluten-free. It's like the vegans. You know, everybody's going there. We do a wide range of vegan pies. You know, because you have to fit into society. You know, that's why I think that we fall into the perfect little slot that like this whole diet is like created.
Okay, so this is a freshly baked pie. We've got some pies being done in the ovens right now. So what's so good about these ovens when it comes to making gluten-free?
It's the baking. You know, you need an all-round baking. You also need, you know, the temperature's right. They're the best ovens for the job, really. You know, they really, really are. I mean, you know, they're actually not done yet. You can open up. They kind of keep their heat as well, which is what you really want. If the oven doors are open, they don't lose so much of it, where it's going to take time and time again to come back up. Yeah. You know, that's your finished product there. I mean, we're not going to take them out because they're hot at the moment. So you flip that over, there's a perfect bake all the way around.
Right, so it's the evenness of the bake.
Yeah.
Would you get that with an electric oven?
No, definitely not.
Definitely not. No. Yeah, that's what other customers are telling us. Now we're actually taking measures with the new ovens as well to improve that quality. We're actually putting more mild steel in so that because it has a greater coefficient of conductivity, it actually retains the heat and then releases it more evenly so that you actually lose less heat when you open the door. So we've taken feedback from the likes of yourselves who are passionate about baking and look to improving our products on that basis. Because obviously that's what we're about. We're wanting to support customers with the same ethos, and that's why we've called it Britain's Best Loved Pie Oven.
Yeah.
Okay.